Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new Orei EARC-102 2-port eARC HDMI switch. This product was designed to make it really easy for you to connect two devices with either an ARC or EARC output to a single soundbar, home stereo, or amplifier system, and then easily switch between those two media sources for passing the audio along to your audio system. The product fully supports both ARC and EARC equipment and is HDMI 2.1 compliant, which means it's pretty much plug and play with a wide variety of modern media gear. And its small compact design makes it the perfect choice for both residential or even commercial installations. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other eARC switches you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the unit. Now, it's small and compact, it's got a metal enclosure, so it's incredibly durable, really simple product to use. Plug your soundbar in the front, plug your two media sources in the back, push the button to switch between them. Also included is a charging cable. It's a USB-C to USB-A cable. The USB-C end plugs into the unit, and the USB-A end can plug into any standard USB wall charger or an open port on any of your media equipment. And then finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, and then I'll come back and point out some of those special features. The product features a full metal enclosure, which makes it incredibly durable and a great choice for both residential or even professional installations. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, is a selection button that you can use to switch between your two input sources for sending the media content from that selected source along to your soundbar. In the center is a full-sized HDMI port labeled eARC soundbar, and this connects to your audio equipment, and that can be a soundbar, a home stereo, or an amplifier system. And once you make this connection to your audio equipment, the connection is checked. Once it's been verified, this LED will come on, indicating a solid connection. And finally, to the right of that is a USB-C port that's labeled DC 5 volts, and that's the power port. There's a cable included with the kit. You can plug the USB-C end of that cable in here, and the other end of the cable has a USB-A connection on it, which you can plug into any standard USB-A wall charger or an open USB-A port on your media equipment. On the rear of the unit, you'll find two more full-sized HDMI ports labeled eARC TV1 and eARC TV2. These connect to your two monitors that you'd like to extract the audio from to pass along to your soundbar. And when you make those connections and make a selection on the front, these two LEDs indicate which of these inputs is currently active and sending the audio along to your soundbar. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei EARC-102 2-port eARC HDMI switch with other products you may be considering. And the first thing has to do with the ARC and eARC standards. This product supports both older ARC equipment and newer EARC equipment on the same switch. And the reason that's important is because a lot of other eARC switches on the market may only support one or the other standard. So if you've got newer equipment, you'll need to adhere to the eARC standard. And if it's older gear, you want to make sure that the switch can handle ARC equipment. This one can handle both. It's also HDMI 2.1 certified. And the reason that's important is because the HDMI standard has gone through a lot of changes in recent years. A lot of new features have been introduced. So you want to make sure you find a product that supports the latest HDMI standard for 4K content, which this one does. It also has a very small and compact design that has a full metal enclosure, which means it's durable. You can use it for your home, you can use it for professional installations, and it only requires a single USB-C connection for power. And that's an advantage because a lot of other switches on the market use a proprietary charger to actually power the unit. With this one, you plug the USB-C end of it into the unit and the USB-A end of it into any standard wall charger or an open USB-A port on your media equipment. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So I hope you found value in this review, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.